How you doing? Thanks for tuning in. My name is Anubis, also known as the Gothic Tech Guy. Welcome to my show. So, did you just spend over $1,000 and break your shiny, new, beautiful iPhone 10? Or are you just curious to know how much it will cost if a tragedy such as that happens? Don't worry, I got your back. So, I contacted T-Mobile, which is the service provider I have, as well as Verizon, AT&T, Sprint. No, it's the same thing. You have to deal directly with Apple if such a tragedy happens. So then I spoke to Apple. So this is the breakdown. If you break the front or back, this is what I was told. You will have to pay $280, and that's not including the tax. So let's just round it up to $300, shall we? So $300 out of pocket to fix the screen if something like that happens. But if you get the extended warranty Apple Care, which you have to pay an additional $180 for, you will only have to spend $30 if the screen is broken on your phone. And again, that $30 is not including tax. So I don't know, I want to say 35. So that's the breakdown if something like that was to happen, which is why I said in many of my videos, please put a case on it, because I don't drop my phones. I'm not in the habit of being very clumsy. In fact, the whole year of me owning the iPhone 7 Plus, I dropped it a total of 5 times. And yes, that is the total number, not an estimated number. But when something like that happens, you actually keep count, especially if you're not clumsy like I am. So yes, 5 times I dropped it, and on the 5th time is when I got the crack in my screen. So I think for safekeeping, definitely slap a case on it. I mean, I love, not putting a case on my phone because I like to show off. I understand that, mentality. But the beautiful thing about the iPhone 10, the way they made their cameras slanted this way, everyone knows it's the 10 because no other phone currently has their camera slanted that way. So I hope you enjoyed my video. Please subscribe if you're not a subscriber, and please share my videos. I'm trying to meet the deadline that's made by YouTube to have 1,000 subscribers by February 20th.